are here at the first spot, and I am excited to say there's nobody here. It's a little bridge, and it looks pretty cool from here. So let's go check it out. All right, we're gonna start on this side of the bridge. Wow, this is really cool. Look at that bridge. Wow. Let's get down here. Oh, we just had a pretty good bite. Took it under for just a minute. One looks good. Alright, let's see. Alright, I had one bite on the worm. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this whopper plopper in here. I think the best spot's gonna be on this bank over here. I believe it's deeper. I'm having a hard time getting all the way over there. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the plopper over there. Okay, so unfortunately we did not catch a fish here. We might come back later. There was a guy that showed up, and you can hear cars coming where I was fishing at, but this guy just came up walking. He was a very nice guy, but you know, just me being by myself, literally out in the middle of nowhere. He was fishing, so I decided, we had a little chat, and then I decided to go off to my next spot. Okay, so now we're at a new spot. This was actually a little bit down from where I was planning on fishing, but there was a guy sitting there. And then I noticed there's an area here that looks like people are pulled over. Maybe a little spot right over here. So we're gonna go fish that real quick, see what we can catch. I just realized I left my worms at the last spot. That's great. Why's everywhere gotta be so dang hard to get to? Okay, I'm gonna start with a worm here, then we're gonna throw this thing around. No more worms, crap. Might go back and get them. Okay, let's see if there's anything in here that wants to bite. Oh, activity, nice. Take it. Take it under. Come on. Take it, take it, take it. Let's throw a little bit further out. Got one. Yes. First fish of the day. All right. Oh, what happened to my little bobber here? Little bluegill. Chill out, dude. Oh, he finned me. Ow. Dude. Good Lord. That's not how to get a hold on him. So we've made it at the pond after a very uneventful day. I basically fished the Kahala Creek area in different spots, and that creek is always muddy, and 2 spots didn't work out. There were people there. I stopped at Academy, and this is what I'm most excited about. I've got a swimming snake. Jesus Christ. I got a swimming snake. It's the first rotating lure ever. I don't even know what that means, but I thought this was cool as crap. It's a swimming snake. You just retrieve, and I guess it curls up. I don't know, but I'm going to use it in this pond. So then I also got me a new shirt because this cotton ain't cutting it. So we're about to change clothes. Ain't nobody around. And let's go see if we can catch something in this pond. Okay, looks like down here is a fishing spot. It looks nice. Looks like you'll be fishing off a big rock down here though. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is pretty amazing. Oh, I see a swirl. I think it's another swirl. Look, you can get on all these rocks and fish. Oh, I see two fish. I see two bluegill down there. Alright, looks like this thing does sink, which I'm glad. I didn't want to do another top water. I think it's too early. So, we're going to throw this around. See if we can get anything out of it. That's funny, the bluegill are coming up to it. Now don't you go getting my floater, ducky. Got a bite. Got a little bitty one. Come up out of there. There he is. Cute little guy. He's pretty. Well, hey there. This isn't for you. No, it's not ducky food. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't have duck food. No. No ducky food for you guys.